You guys, it's LingoJet, and today we're gonna talk about different colors in French. In this playlist, I'm gonna teach you different colors in French, and I hope you have practiced and watched the previous video of this playlist, because these two videos are very related. Before we get started, we just go that way, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification if you haven't done it. Let's go. Okay, let's get it started. The word color in French is couleur. Couleur. Couleur in French is color. Color, couleur. So, they're somehow the same in pronunciation, and we can just code that on your mind too easily. Color, couleur. Couleur. Okay, great. Blue in French is bleu. Bleu. Bleu means blue. Bleu. Alright, great. Purple in French is violet. Violet. Violet is purple. Violet. Violet is purple. Alright. And now, navy blue. Navy blue in French is bleu marron. Okay, bleu was blue and marron is navy. Navy blue is bleu marron. Bleu marron. On. My voice comes from my throat. Bleu marron. Right? Great. Bleu marron. And now, dark blue in French is bleu foncé. Bleu foncé. Foncé is dark. Bleu foncé. Pale or light blue in French is bleu pâle. Pale, pâle. Bleu pâle is not pâle bleu, it's bleu pâle. Just reverse them. Bleu pâle. Do you remember what was green in French? Vert. Okay, tell me what is dark green. Great. Vert foncé. Okay, great. What is pale green in French? Great, is vert pâle. Vert pâle. Alright, great. Do you remember what is yellow in French? Yellow is jaune. Okay, tell me dark yellow in French. Think. Yes, that's it. Jaune foncé. Jaune foncé. Okay, and now tell me what was pale yellow or light yellow in French. That's it. Great. Awesome. Jaune pâle. Jaune pâle. That's it. Okay. Do you remember what was red in French? Yes. Rouge. Rouge. Rouge is red in French. Rouge. Okay. Okay, tell me what is dark red in French. That's it. Rouge foncé. Rouge foncé. And now tell me pale or light red in French. That's it. Rouge pâle. Rouge pâle. Great. Whenever you want to say, what color is it? What color is it? In French, you should say, quelle est cette couleur? Quelle est cette couleur? Quelle in French is what? Cette means this. Couleur means color. Quelle est cette couleur? Quelle est cette couleur? In some next videos, I will teach you how to make sentences and questions in French, so don't worry about that. What color is it in French is, yes, quelle est cette couleur? Quelle est cette couleur? And when we want to say, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? You should say, quelle est votre couleur préférée? Quelle est votre couleur préférée? Préférée means favorite. Votre means your. Quel is what. Quelle est votre couleur préférée? That's it. Quelle est votre couleur préférée is what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Quelle est votre couleur préférée? That's it. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting, subscribe and having your post notification turned on. If you have any question, you just ask it there, and don't forget to practice all of these lessons after you watch them. See you.